Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
We've all been there, updating our systems, only to be greeted by an unexpected folder that seems more trouble than it's worth. But what happens when Microsoft itself creates a folder that could potentially compromise your security? In April 2025, Windows users noticed a brand new inetpub folder had mysteriously appeared in the root of their C drive. This caused quite the stir, especially among those who didn't even have Internet Information Services installed on their systems. It seemed like an oddity that needed to be deleted ASAP. Microsoft initially warned us that this folder was part of a security fix designed to prevent high-severity Windows process activation privilege escalation vulnerability. So why did it get created in the first place? The answer lies in the way Microsoft's Windows Update stack handles updates. Sometimes following symbolic links can lead to unexpected behavior and potential vulnerabilities. But what exactly is the issue here? Well, successful exploitation of this vulnerability allows attackers with low privileges to escalate permissions and manipulate or perform file management operations in the context of the NT Authority /system account. In other words, it's a real security risk that should be taken seriously. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but Microsoft said it's okay to delete this folder. Not so fast. According to an updated advisory from Microsoft, this folder should not be deleted under any circumstances. Its purpose is to mitigate the very same vulnerability we're discussing, and if you remove it, you could inadvertently put yourself at risk. To help admins restore this folder, Microsoft has released a PowerShell script that can recreate it and set the correct permissions to prevent unauthorized access and potential vulnerabilities related to CVE 2025-21204. But don't just take my word for it. Cybersecurity expert Kevin Beaumont also demonstrated how non-admin users could exploit this vulnerability. By creating a junction between C/inetpub and any Windows file, attackers can block Windows updates from being installed altogether. So what's the takeaway here? Well, when it comes to security, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. But in this case, it's clear that sometimes the best course of action is simply to leave things alone. By automating these processes and leaving less room for human error, we can focus on more strategic work and actually make patching faster, not slower. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for joining us on Microsoft Sphere.